If a headache or migraine is hitting and you need fast relief, let's start with what you can do right now. My #1 essential oil for headaches is peppermint. Here's exactly how I use it. A drop across my forehead and temples, a little on the back of my neck, and my favorite way, 1 drop under my tongue. Drink water and breathe it in. That cooling sensation kicks in quickly and starts calming things down. Headaches and migraines are not just a headache. They hijack your day, your work, your leadership, your presence as a mom. In this video, you'll learn the Peppermint Protocol that you can try immediately, why peppermint and frankincense work differently, how I use past tense, and why the stick stays on my nightstand, and what actually made my chronic migraines go away. Peppermint is high in menthol. Menthol cools, relaxes tight muscles, and reduces how intensely your body feels pain. When you inhale it, your airways open up, which is a huge relief when you're in that pounding, can't think state. Frankincense supports a healthy inflammatory response, which is often part of what's driving migraines. But here's what most people miss. Headaches are usually connected to stress and muscle tension, nutritional gaps, hormonal shifts, especially in our 30s, 40s, and perimenopause. Oils can get you through the head tension. Long-term freedom comes from addressing the root. If migraines keep coming back, that's not bad luck. That's your body asking for a system level shift. That's the work we do in the Core 90 Reset, actually implementing a wellness blueprint for 90 days with really simple lifestyle shifts that create extraordinary, sustainable wellness. Now here's my actual protocol. The first sign, peppermint diluted, forehead, temples, neck. Breathe it in deeply. If you're comfortable using a high quality oil, drop 1 drop under your tongue with some water. To up-level it, add frankincense to support a healthy inflammatory response. And then there's past tense. I love it. The stick version is a game changer. I had a stomach flu recently where my head was just pounding. I kept the past tense stick on my nightstand. I'd wake up, I would swipe it across my forehead and the back of my neck, and it calmed things down enough that I could just fall back asleep. Let me tell you why this matters. In my 30s, I had chronic migraines. I tried doctors, expensive medications, lots of side effects. I will never forget one Christmas morning. I woke up with a full migraine. I was sitting there smiling through the presents with my kids, but inside I just wanted to crawl into a dark, quiet room and disappear. That level of pain plus the mom guilt was awful. Before oils, it was Coke and Excedrin, temporary relief if I caught it early enough, but it was rough on my body and not a long-term plan. When I found peppermint, frankincense, and past tense, I finally had something natural that helped, but the breakthrough came when I addressed nutrition. After starting the vitality supplements within 45 days, my migraines were gone. That was life-changing. Mistakes I see all the time. People waiting until the migraine is full blown before doing anything. Using peppermint straight on the skin without diluting, relying only on oils or a pill without ever looking at stress, hormones, or nutrition. And some common myths: if peppermint doesn't work once, oils don't work. Remember, your body and root cause matter. Another myth, all essential oils are the same. They're not. If you've tried an oil routine and felt nothing, it may be the quality of the oil, not you. And some safety basics. Always dilute, keep away from eyes. If headaches are severe, sudden, or unusual, work with a trusted professional. And oils are support, not replacement care. If you're new to essential oils, I linked up a simple guide below showing exactly what I use for headaches, sleep, stress, energy, and over 30 common health challenges. If you already use doTERRA, build yourself a headache station so you're not scrambling when pain hits. This is part of a series on supporting high capacity life without burning out. Next up is hair growth and thinning hair.